Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sandy Pop. My name is Sandy. You've tuned in on a great day. Why? Because we're diving deeper into the Loonaverse. We're gonna be checking out B-sides. So as most of you guys know, I've been making my way day in and day out through Loona material. Today we're gonna get into some B-sides and I'm literally going to watch them all. We got a lot to cover today, so let's get to it. First, we're getting into the acoustic version of HeeJin's Vivid. Oh my god, she's literally gonna sing and play live.
아침부터 이미 대자분 낯설어도 똑같은 하루 숨 못 볼까 달아나 볼까 고민네 까만 모자 속 뒤척여도 잡히는 건 또 늘 같은
She's so cute!
토끼 나 비둘기 that's our sin.
Her voice. Let's go, HeeJin. So good.
Oh my god, yes. Say, oh my god, yes. 칠해줘 가득 날 많은 색깔로. Oh my god, yes. Say, oh my goodness.
Say, oh my goodness. She's so cute! The fact that she knows how to play this guitar, I'm dying. So good, HeeJin. Girl can sing, she can play the guitar. What else do we need? Because I can't think of anything. All right, moving on, we are going to be jumping into a B-side song called I'll Be There, and this is HeeJin and HyunJin. This sounds cute already. Da-dum-dum. What is going on? I was not expecting this sound. I thought it was gonna be something slower. What? This is giving me 80s vibes. 80s is, am I wrong? Because this is awesome. I am so happy. I love the hat and the bow with pearls on it. I want one. I like that this video is, there's like choreographed parts like where they're dancing and singing together, but I also like that, you know, they're in this city. It's sort of like these candid shots. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this song already. This chorus is so good! So good. 함께하네. Oh my gosh, they did that. Oh my. HeeJin and HyunJin, y'all just made my morning. That was so good. I'll be there. Oh gosh. Okay guys, next one is the Carol. This is HeeJin, HyunJin, and HaSeul. Oh, I'm literally such a giddy little boy. This is embarrassing. I am so sorry. Oh my god, those shoes. It always starts at the shoes. Oh, HyunJin in those shoes. Oh my goodness, she looks so good. Why? Why? Oh, there's a cute little smiley purse. HaSeul. Chorus. I love this subunit plus ViVi so much. These girls will always have a place in my heart because they were the first things I saw of Loona. Other than the first couple songs, the groups. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm missing lore. I'm probably missing so much lore. Every time I see HaSeul's face, I want to punch YG. I cannot help it. Like, YG, suck on that note, bro. Oh, the snow. I cannot wait to listen to this next holiday season. HaSeul, so cute. Ooh, feathers like HaSeul's swan. Even for like a holiday song, that shit was so good. Okay, guys, moving on. We're going to My Sunday. HeeJin and HyunJin. Oh my god, they got another duet. I'm shaking. I'm so excited.
어젯밤 감았던 눈을 뜨고 보니 새로운 세상에 온 것 같아 내 불러주는 멜로디 이미 향한 발걸음 baby 설명할 수 없는 이끌림
Yo, guys, I might be way off base, but HyunJin's giving me Choerry vibes from Twice. Like, they look very, very similar to me. It could be just me, but they have the same looking part of the face. I love them together. Ooh, someday. I saw Kitty. They sound great in this song. I love them together so much. Sorry, I got the sniffles. Oh, I love the guitar in this song. Wow, HyunJin behind those clouds in that scene was so good. Right there. Okay, so that song wasn't like the best bop dance, let me get down, but it was a guitar song with their awesome voices. I am so happy. Next one is My Melody by HaSeul and YeoJin. I am shaking. I get to see YeoJin again with my girl HaSeul. Like, what is going on? Alright, this got the same vibe as last song. Is this the same song? Is this the same song? I swear this is the same song. Yo, you go, girl! They look like sisters, like real sisters. Oh my god. I'm having HaSeul overload. Oh, those shoes! YeoJin's wearing those shoes! You go, YeoJin! My melody! Oh, she has Princess Leia bunch! Looks like Chun-Li! Breathe, Sandy, breathe. Ugh. That was so amazing. The two of them. I was not expecting that. Alright, next we are checking out Every Day I Need You featuring JinSoul. This is pretty much the ViVi's acoustic version, pretty sure. Need you. ViVi, so pretty. I love this song. This version's even just as good. I can't wait to find more out about ViVi's story, being an android. Super interesting and complex. I need you. I wonder if there are clues in this video about her story. JinSoul! Always with that crimped hair, my queen of crimped. I love how they didn't show her face the entire time until right at the end. I'm pretty sure they planned that because she wasn't revealed yet during this, right? Just a guess. Oh, the smile. 대서면. A deer. Who's the deer? I forget who's a deer. I swear someone's the deer. Maybe she's the deer. That was a nice, slow, mid-tempo version of that song. Let's go, acoustic ViVi. Okay guys, this next one has been highly requested. Seriously, every Loona video, this one's been commented to react to it. It is Rain 51 dB. I have no idea what that means, but this is another Loona 1/3 track. So, I'm excited. Oh. No signal. Play. Oh, it's going through all their songs. Ooh, it's giving me 80s vibe already, just this instrumental at the start. Now this clearly has to be in the past. It's having the same white light as ViVi's Mismemory. HeeJin comes in. Ooh, HyunJin killed her verse. And it's going into a... I love that the chorus is such a different vibe. I was not expecting it to get a little bit pepped up. You go, Yves. Yes, HaSeul. Exactly. My thoughts exactly. I love you so much, HaSeul. I know that sounds really creepy and weird, but I do. Yes! HyunJin has such a good voice. My queen. Oh shit, HeeJin! Yes! With the falsetto! No, that was so good. But for some reason, I thought that song was gonna be like amped up, like dancey pantsy, because y'all talked about it like it was a club bop. That was so good. Regardless, their voices are amazing. Alright guys, this is the last one. This is the Carol 2.0. This is ViVi, Choerry, and Yves. I'm shaking at this combo. What?
Is you, baby? 꿈꿔왔던 작은
Choerry!
너만 함께
Yves! Hey girls!
있으면 그 노래처럼 귓가에 종소리도 기다린
Yves' voice.
새하얀 거리마다 들리는 크리스마스 멜로디 설레어 기다리던 12월의 그날이 어느새 잃어버린 오래전 추억 같지만 하룻밤새 하얗게
I want little headbands like that. I have cat ears. I'm gonna wear them next time I watch HeeJin.
내 맘에 내리면 여기는 말해 기다린 시간인가 It's you baby 꿈꿔왔던 작은 소원 너만 함께 있어준다면
Choerry's so cute.
소리도 기다린 하얀 눈도 내 맘 가득 쌓여가 우리 둘만의 It's Christmas time
I'm obsessed. I love Loona.
설임에 나만의 소원을 빌며
You go falsetto. ViVi has such like a cute, pure, soft voice. I love it. Oh my god, Yves!
너와 함께면 다시 떠올라 뭐든지 이루어질 것만 같아 With you 자꾸 두근두근두근대
두근두근두근.
너만 내게 있어준다면 Only you 어린 적 추억들도 소중한 기억들도 다시 돌아온 듯해 함께 해줘 My Christmas time
That's it, guys. B-side music videos are over. If I missed any, please let me know. You know my crackhead ass will definitely be watching it. So link me in the comments if I've missed something, guys. Thank you for suggesting that I get in and watch these B-side music videos. Loona has so much material. Like, what the heck? Literally the best girl group K-pop has to offer. Fight me if you disagree. Guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, watching Sandy Pop once again. My name's Sandy. You just checked out another Loona reaction. Guys, more Loona content to come. So make sure you subscribe and like this video. Help me out. And go stan Loona!